Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to solve this Ivy cube. So basically this puzzle is a six-sided puzzle. You have six colors and each side you have actually two corners and one something like a leaf, or you can call it petal. So the corners have two types, one where you see three leaves made and another where you have a corner with the three leaves around it. So this puzzle, the way it turns is that it turns at the corner. So make sure you hold on this axis, and then when it turns, it actually turns. So it has a curvical cut, not the straight cut kind of puzzle. Okay, so when there are four corners that can actually turn this way. So the other type of corners is here. Okay, so how to solve this puzzle? Let's mix it up and take a look first. So okay, the puzzle is okay, quite well mixed up now. Okay, the first step you need to do when you solve this puzzle is that you can pick any side or any and you look at one corner. Say, let's say I see a white, red, blue corner here. I'll look at the one on the same face, and this one is yellow, orange, blue. So blue is actually the common color. I can actually bring both the blue corners up. Okay, these two will be actually the blue face. So next, once I fix this, I can actually fix the rest. So I know this must be a yellow. So there's a yellow here, so I just turn to yellow. And when you fix this, the next side is fixed. Has to be white, so you turn it to white. Then you actually fix it, and these two sides happen to be solved. So for instance, now you come to a situation where you have three pieces that are not solved. Always put the one that you want to solve either on the right or the left, and this piece is going to move to the top. Okay, so sometimes you can actually rotate around, and don't position it such that yellow and blue isn't the one that you want to solve on the top color. So rotate around and see. So you can also do like yellow soft on this face. So there are three ways that you can rotate and see which is the one that you want to solve. So let's say we solve yellow. So same sequence is up, up, down, down. That will actually bring the yellow pattern up. And we'll look for other pieces. Sometimes you're only left with three unsolved pieces. So what you need to do is that green is not the color that's going to go to the top, but red is the color that's going to the top. So remember, the tree is actually two on the opposite sides of each other and one on top. So you bring the red side goes up, and then this one becomes green. Green is actually at the back. You bring the green towards you, and this becomes blue. Blue is at the side. Bring the blue towards you, and then now this corner is red, and bring the red, and that actually solves the puzzle. Let's mix up again and see what other situations that we can encounter in this puzzle. Okay, I hope I encounter the switching of the sides. Okay, another optimum way you can want to do is that you may, before this one doesn't have okay, so let's say you bring an orange here. Let's say you have an orange joint to this. You may want to always preserve this. Look for another one with an orange. Let's say this one is an orange, and then you bring it up. So you actually reduce the number of moves to solve this face. And this one is a green. Okay, if I turn it in, it actually turns the green away. I can actually also turn the green away and bring it. Then that actually solves the green face at the same time. And then I can position. Actually, blue is actually in place, so I may actually turn it away. But that will destroy my white. Actually, blue goes here. Actually, by accident, I actually solved the puzzle when I was doing the fixing of the petals at the same time, and actually reduced the number of moves to solve it. So another the situation I want to show you is that sometimes during the solve of the puzzle, you may encounter a situation where, let's say, something like this. After you have do the up, down, down, and solve all the pieces, you may encounter a situation you need to cycle pieces this way. So you cannot cycle two pieces because 3 pieces will change position. So you have to look at, you encounter a situation where these 3 pieces needs to cycle. So red needs to go here and green needs to go. This has to go in a counterclockwise. The way you're going to solve this is actually you do a up, turn, down, turn, up, turn. The turning direction is always opposite to where the pieces is going. Okay, so it's like if you do this sequence 3 times, you realize that down, we actually cycle once, then you do a second time. When you did the second time, it seems like nothing is solved. Actually, the pieces has moved positions again. So by the third time when you move it, the puzzle should be solved. So it's like equivalent of each rotation is actually 120 degrees. So a clockwise turn is equivalent to 2 anti-clockwise turn, and similarly an anti-clockwise turn is equal to 2 clockwise turn. So because the puzzle is 120 degrees each, so that's how this puzzle will work.